Well, it's harvest time, 2020. The snap beans are ready, the barley's ready, the wheat is ready, and the rye is real close. So we're going to take that corn head off that wagon, pick up our 20-foot grain head, that's the 25-footer, and drop it on the wagon, and we're going to head over to the barley field. Switching the head over, or the cart over, because when you have a corn head on it versus a grain head, it's different settings. So that has to get switched as well. Just like that, we are on our way. Well, we're here, and wow, is it short. We could have brought the 25-foot head. Oh, something's talking to us out there. I don't know if I got a bad bearing or what, but got a little bit coming in, but not much. Alright, we'll get out one more time. We adjusted some stuff. We had to adjust the cylinder speed. How's it look? Up more? That's 800. Alright, we're going to 850 on the cylinder speed. He's telling me to slow the fan down, but I don't have fan RPM in here, so he's gonna have to look at it, I guess. Doesn't grow real tall. Seems like so far it's working out all right. Gone 3 times around, and I'm about to the window on the bin. So now I gotta figure out where I'm going with it. So we gotta either get a truck here or the grain cart. Yowzer. It's about 95 degrees out here. And I can tell you one thing. See, this is how short it is. Just, I don't know if barley doesn't get tall or if our barley didn't get tall. But 20-foot head on, it makes for a decent row of straw. And it looks like I'm getting it all. Barley's weird because it like falls apart, where wheat and rye actually come out of like a hull. But barley is the whole thing. When it comes off, can you imagine? I'm showing you barley, and that's rye. That's actually a wheat, pardon me. Helps if I actually show you the barley. When the barley comes apart, see? that's it. So the machine has to separate the barley from the straw, the stem, but that's about it. So, but that's funny. Here, I'm gonna go show you, and I pick wheat. Must have been some wheat left in the grain drill. Anyway, let's figure out where we're going with it. Second dump. Got one bin load off the first field. Another bin load off the second field. There's a little bit left. Looks like I'm not close enough. Caught up in the bin, but that don't matter. I gotta go back and cut the rest of the field. So, well, we got at least a buggy load. I think we just missed some rain right there. Could use some rain. Things are dry. That's the last of it. That's the last dab. We'll see if it fits. It'll be full, that's for sure. But I don't really want to leave it in the combine. I don't think it's going to fit. This is a bummer deal. Egg. Egg. I don't think it's gonna rain, but it'd be nice to get it offloaded. I guess I'll have to call the boss and see what he says. Well, we put the last dab of barley in a big bag and parked it for the night. So tomorrow's another day, and we'll probably start wheat. Dinner time.